Namaskar friends, myself Vaidya Alka Gupta. Today in Sattvayi Ayurveda we will discuss about Bij Sanskar, a procedures or steps done before planning of the baby so that we can get better progeny and with desired characteristics. Ayurveda not only emphasize on present better health but also better future health, not only individual health but better society health. In Ayurveda, it is said that swasthasya swasthya rakshanam aturasya vikar prashmanam cha. That means first we should protect the health of healthy individuals and as well as we should treat the diseased persons. In Ayurveda, Acharya Shushruta has said, Dhruvam Chaturnam Sanidhyat Garva Syad Vidhi Purvakaha Ritu Kshetra Ambu Vijanam Samagrad Ankuro Yatha. That means as if seed is cultivated on time in fertile land with proper irrigation planning, then plant comes. Same in human body. If sperm and ovum are subjected in fertile woman's reproductive system on proper time with proper nutrition, then progeny will come, and for healthy progeny, for better combination, better health of all these four ingredients of a progeny, Bij Sanskar are done. That means for better, purest form of sperm and ovum, for fertile woman's reproductive system, for consulting the exact and proper time for this combination, and what nutrition should be given to be parents. So all these comes under Bij Sanskar. What is Bij Sanskar? Why Bij Sanskar should be done? And what are the steps and procedures followed in Bij Sanskar? All will be explained today in this video. So watch this video till end, and for more such information, please subscribe our channel. Ayurveda, our ancient health science, practiced this kind of sanskar for better characteristics, desired characteristics in coming child. So Bij Sanskar, Garbh Sanskar are done, in which Bij Sanskar is very important. Purest form of sperm and ovum should combine for better progeny, and also women's reproductive system health is very important. So to ensure all these factors, Ayurveda have introduced Bij Sanskar, in which many kind of medication, many kind of consultations, many kinds of counselings, also panchakarma, that means body cleansing processes are suggested, so that when the purest form of sperm and ovum are formed in the body and they will combine, so a better progeny, disease-free progeny and disease-free pregnancy will occur. Why to do Bij Sanskar? Bij Sanskar purify the body and also the sperm and ovum. We all want our kids to have better intelligence, better physical health, better mental health and a very positive psychology. For all this, preparation start from very planning of your baby. So at the time of you plan for baby, you should go through Bij Sanskar. In today's era, when adulteration of food, wrong kind of lifestyle, wrong kind of dietary habits are contributing in many kind of reproductive system diseases, also systemic diseases which are interfering in better progeny process. And also male and female Bij, that means sperm and ovum, quality is also disturbed. So in this era, Bij Sanskar should be done by every couple before planning of their baby. Also in case of infertility, many kind of congenital disorder and familial diseases, Bij Sanskar should be done, so that such kind of diseases should not transfer to the next generation. And in many cases, in many researches, this is seen that Bij Sanskar are very effective in such problems. So baby characteristic can be planned by doing Bij Sanskar, and the better characteristics, better progeny, better physical and mental health can be planned. As infertility is increasing, Bij Sanskar are very helpful. As in Charak Samhita, Acharya Charak has said that if purest form of sperm and ovum combined in a fertile, in a healthy woman reproductive system, then baby pregnancy will sure to occur. What are the steps and procedures in Bij Sanskar? First of all, Panchakarma. According to need, woman Virechan and necessarily Vastikarma is done. For Vastikarma, medicated enema is given. As Basti not only cleans the reproductive system but also the whole body is cleansed. So these Panchakarmas are very helpful. As in Ayurveda it is said that any person, any couple should plan a baby only after Sharir Shuddhi. So these Shuddhi Karma are done in Bij Sanskar. Second, medication. For 1 to 3 months, medications are given as according to Ayurveda from Aharas, that means from the food we take from nutritive juice. The Shukra, that means male sperm, is only formed after 1 month. For that, 1 to 3 months of medication as well as Sattvic Ahar, Sattvic diet, that means a diet and medication which will help in production of formation of best and purest form of sperm and ovum are given, and only after 1 to 3 months of such kind of medication and diet, that couple which are planning to be parents are asked to have copulation so that they have a better progeny. Third thing, proper guidance about yoga, exercise and pranayam is given so that the couple is in their excellent form of health. Fourth is proper counseling about their mental health, their psychology, as psychology directly affect the progeny. So a better, purest and sattvic psychology always needed for a better progeny. So proper counseling is done to the couple. Fifth is proper counseling and consultation according to Ayurveda regarding the rules of copulation, rules of combination of sperm and ovum, as on which days this whole process of Bij Sanskar will be more helpful, will be more productive. So all these steps are followed, all these things are provided so that they can have better progeny, or in case of infertility or in case of any abortion or history of abnormality in the pregnancy. All this can be treated through Bij Sanskar. That's why Bij Sanskar should be done by every to-be parents. For this, you can contact any nearby Ayurvedic Vaidya. Also, you can contact us for our consultation. A child is future of family as well as society. That's why all necessary steps should be taken with responsibility to get a better progeny, and that's why Bij Sanskars are very helpful. So follow Bij Sanskar, eat right and stay healthy. Thank you.
For queries and to know more about Ayurveda, write us and to connect with us, subscribe our channel. Thank you.